Yes, Mayank, you have to open your textbook and pencil eraser. So, good morning,
Okay.
children. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Children, as
morning,
you
ma'am.
know that we are doing the textbook
Morning, ma'am.
exercises. Yes, good morning to you. As you all know that we are doing the textbook exercises. So all of you have to open your page number 62. I have given to solve it from 62 till 67. So we will discuss the answers today. We'll discuss the method if some of you facing the problem. I'm going to present my screen. Just guide me whether it is visible or not.
It's
It's
visible, ma'am.
okay, thank you. So on page number 62, it's written colored parts. Now it's written first about the first circle. There is something is written. This circle, can you breathe? Can you read this? What's written here? On the first circle.
Okay, ma'am. Complete this. This circle is divided into two equal parts. Out of dash equal parts, one part is colored blue. The answer is 2.
Devanshi, what will be the answer here?
2, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because there are two equal parts.
Very good. So everyone has written 2 here. If you have not written, please write. Next child. Aryan, can you read the second one?
Yes, ma'am. Here
Read.
the circle is divided into dash equal parts. Out of dash equal parts, dash parts are colored blue.
Okay.
Four equal parts
Yes.
out of
Out of the here the circle is divided into
four equal parts.
out of dash equal parts. What will come in the next?
Out of two equal part, four equal parts, two
Yes.
parts are colored blue.
Yes. Can you all see the answer on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, I have
Today
written
we
first only.
No, my dear. It's written on Friday, Monday. We have a CET. So now go to the third one. I want Advika will read this. Advika, will you able to read it?
Ma'am, after
Asheni?
that I can read.
Ma'am, now it
Okay,
is
so then
working.
can you tell me how we will write the sentence for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
third
Ma'am, I
one?
know.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, after that I can read.
Okay.
The circle is
Please
divided.
switch off. Wait. Switch off your microphone. Whose microphone is on? Other than Advika, other children has to keep the microphone off. Yes, Advika, tell me.
Ma'am, here is a circle divided into six equal parts. Out
Yes.
of dash equal parts,
Hmm.
three are colored blue.
Okay. Very good. So they are here talking about the blue. That's why she has taken blue out of the six equal parts. See, yeah, blue. So I will tell you how to write the answers also. So what will be the fraction of blue? 3 upon Advika, what will be the fraction for blue?
3 upon 6.
Yes. Jaival, make the next. Jaival, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, make the
Here
next
the
question.
circle is divided into dash equal parts. Out of dash equal parts, dash parts are colored into blue.
Jaival, somebody is talking the back.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is my it's my age.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, what will come in the dash?
Ma'am, first will come 8 equal parts. After that,
Hmm.
8 and 4.
Four equal parts. Four parts are blue. So, the fraction
Blue.
is, we will write in this way also. Here is circle is divided into eight equal parts. Out of the eight equal parts, four parts are colored blue. Everyone done this page?
The page number? No, ma'am, I have not done the page number.
You joined late?
Yes, ma'am, 4 minutes
My
late.
dear, you joined how many minutes late?
4 minutes.
So you have to be on time. So
Ma'am,
now next is there is written
Ma'am,
so we yes.
ma'am,
ma'am, how much we did? Please tell because I joined late because of the net issue. Please tell where are we?
Those who are joining late, they should stay back after the class. Okay.
ma'am, fourth one I have not done. Ma'am, sorry, third one.
Third one is you write the sentence by your own on the basis of first and second. And this was already given Prithvi yesterday. You have to solve it and we will discuss the answers here in the class. So the next line you can see down it is written so we can say that 1 upon 2 is equals to write 3 more fractions for the equivalent fractions. Can you all see? Yes, Aurav is there in the class. Aurav. Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible and visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Aurav is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Aurav,
ma'am.
please give me the answer. First is already done 1 upon 2. Next fraction will be equivalent. How you will make? There are dash dash given in your textbook. So which number you will write there?
Ma'am, I do not have the textbook.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have written the answer.
Yes, which child is this?
Ma'am, Jaival.
Yes, Jaival. Tell me the next fractions, how we will make the equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, 2 upon 4, 3
It's,
upon 6, 4 upon 8.
yes, it's already showing on my screen also. So please do that also. And after that, come on the page number 63. Now, next child, Nishika will read. Nishika, you have textbook?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait, Devanshi, I will come to you also. Yes, Nishika, read.
Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Ammu and Annu. He divided it equally for them. Each will get dash part of halwa.
Hmm.
This piece is too big. We can't eat it, they said.
Yes.
So he divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Ammu get?
Wait now. So each divided it equally. They were distributing what? They are distributing here to the Ammu and Annu. Yes, children. Switch on your microphone and give me the answer.
Yes.
What they are
Yes,
distributing?
ma'am.
What they are distributing? Yes, it's halwa. Yes. Okay. So he divided it equally for them. Each will get dash part of halwa. If there is one piece, like think that this is chocolate piece. So if we divide a chocolate into if we divide a chocolate into two persons equally, now Advika will say me how much part the each child will get.
1 upon 4.
1 upon 4 from
Yes.
1.
Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2 because it's
And
one thing only that
third.
it is one piece of a chocolate suppose, and if you dividing into two equal halves, so it will be 1 upon 2 for the each. Now these pieces, even though they are thinking that these half pieces also long for them, these pieces is too long, we cannot eat it, they said. So he divided the pieces into half again from
2
two
upon 4.
halves. Yes, so wait
2
from
upon
two
4.
halves. Now how many pieces will Ammu get? Now from 4 parts, how many the each?
2. 2.
No, let's see.
4. 4.
No, 4 will be the denominator, but how many the Ammu will get? It's what fraction it is?
2.
2 upon 4.
2 upon
4.
4 fraction. Yes.
Ma'am,
So
I
each,
said first that only.
you said 2 only. So it
Upon
will
4.
be fraction 2 upon 4.
Ma'am,
Now,
earlier than 2. 2 upon.
okay. Okay. Now come to the next. Make it even smaller, Dad says. Then again, now from 4 parts, now how many parts they will do?
4 upon 8.
They will do 8 equal parts. Now you will turn the page. Page number 64, it's written now how many pieces will each get. Here is a line also given. First they got 1 upon 2. Then they got, next fraction they got what? Please write.
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4.
4. Then what are the equivalent fractions if 1 upon 2, 2
3
upon 4?
upon 6.
Yes,
4
3.
upon 8. 5
These are the,
upon 10.
and
6
6
upon
upon
12.
12. These are the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Please write in your books. Okay, children, I will show you. Next question is parts of strips. Have you done till here, everyone? Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see. Can you all see the strip in my hand? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is the activity you children also try at home. See, parts of the strip. Write the part for a piece of each color. See, this is my one strip. And I want to divide it equally into 2 halves. So, now, how
1
much?
upon 2.
Yes. How much part is this and how much part is this?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. This is also, each part is the half part of the whole. Clear? So now I'm taking the next strip. First I will divide it into the 2 halves. Now I will want to divide it into the 1/4. So again I will divide it into the.
2 upon 4.
Now how many parts each part is?
1
1,
upon
2,
4.
1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is the, can you all able to see clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
So each part is 1 upon 4. Now my question is, how many 1/4 make the half?
How many? 2 on 4.
Very good. Only Josh knows. Where are the other children? Children, now my question is, how many 1/4? How many 1/4 you will add to make the half?
4.
2.
How 4?
4.
If you have 4 1/4,
2.
yes, 2 1/4 make the half. How many 1/4?
2.
2
1/4.
1/4 make
2
the
1/4.
half.
Ma'am, you can do it again because I have left the meeting because the
You-
network has gone.
Which child is this, Jaival?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaival, I first explained that this is the paper strip I'm having. This is the complete whole, right? When I divide it into 2 equal parts, so how I will write the fraction of each part? It will be
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. This is also 1/2. This is also 1/2. Then I took the next strip and I divided into the 4 equal parts. First I divided into 2 equal parts and then I divided into 4 equal parts. After that, I was asking that, please switch off your microphone. Please switch off your microphone. I will not start, children, if your mic will go on. Okay, thank you. So I have divided the strip, this whole, into 4 equal halves. Now I am asking how many 1/4 makes the half? Yes, Jaiwal, can you tell me the answer? How many 1/4 make the half?
Two.
Two. Very good. Very good. 2 1/4. This and this. When you add 1/4 plus 1/4 will be 2/4. And when you do it in the lowest term, you will get 1/2. So 2 1/4 makes the half. Now comes the next. If I divide it into 8 equal parts, first I divide it into 2 equal parts, then I divide it into 4 equal parts, then I divide it into 8 equal parts. Okay. So now tell me how much is the fraction of each
One
part?
upon eight. One upon eight.
One upon eight.
Is just is right?
1/8.
1/8.
Okay. So now each part is 1/8. I will write here 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. Okay. Now tell me how many 1/8 makes the half?
4.
4.
How many 1/8?
4.
Yes,
4.
4.
4.
So you children are clear with this also? So let's see how to write the answers which are given. See. Please write in your textbook also. Then they have divided into 1/4 into 4 equal parts, 1/8 into 8 equal parts. So how many 1/4 will make a half? Right, 2. How many 1/4?
2.
2. How many 1/8 will make 1/4?
4.
2.
2.
Ma'am, 1/8 now.
Yes, now it's 1/8. How many
4.
1/8 are in half?
4.
4.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So, three, 4. So how many 1/8 makes the? Yes. So you, yes. Now open this. Look at this square. What part is colored blue? What part is colored green? Can you tell me, those who have done this? Tell me the answer. Preet, you have done. Aryan? Aryan?
4/1.
Can I?
1/4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I?
Which
One
child is this?
upon 4.
Ma'am,
A Haley.
ma'am.
Aheli. Yes, tell me, Aheli.
Ma'am, the answer will be of blue part will be 1/4.
What part is colored blue? There is one part only colored blue. See, they have divided they have divided the square.
16/2.
Ma'am, they both are divided.
1
Yeah.
upon 4.
Ma'am,
upon 16.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you will get
Yes. Who said the 2 upon 16?
16.
2 upon 16.
Wonderful.
Okay. Okay. Switch off your microphones now. It is 2 upon 16. Yesterday also we have learned how to first divide it into the equally, and then only we'll come to know about the fraction. What part is green?
Ma'am, 16/1.
Jaival?
1/16.
Jaival, just check your answer.
1/16.
Yes, it's 1 upon 16.
1/16.
Ma'am,
Okay.
16/1 will be one whole.
Yes, 16 upon 1 will not be right, because we are talking about here the
1/16.
Very good. Please write in your textbook. Please write in your textbook. Done? Come to the next page, page number 65. Switch off your microphones. Now, Aheli will read. Aheli?
Yes,
Aheli,
ma'am.
read it. What's written here?
Ma'am, second one.
Yes. First one.
This show 1/5 petals of flowers. Complete the flower by drawing the other petals.
So if it is 1/5, it's this fraction is indicating us something. By this fraction we have come half of the solution. We came to know what we came to know. 1/5 means
Ma'am.
what?
Ma'am, 1/5 means we have to draw total
Ma'am,
5 petals.
yes, ma'am. Five
Yes.
petals
And how
there
many
is
are already there?
One is
One.
already
one.
there,
So
so we
how
have
many
to
more
draw
you have to
4.
draw?
1/4.
Four.
I'm not asking the fraction 1/4. I'm asking how many more
1/4.
patterns you have to draw.
4/5. 4/5.
I'm not asking the fraction of
0.5, ma'am.
children. I'm not asking the fraction of the incomplete part. I'm asking how many
Four.
patterns you have to make. Yes.
4 petals.
So please wait for the question. What the question is. Don't give all the answers together. So now start making the 4 more petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear?
I'm done.
Now come to the next child. Child with letter D will give me the answer. Now read the Devanshi, read the next.
Yes. The picture shows 1/3 of the blades of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing the other blades. We have to draw one blade.
Okay. So let's see. It is written 1/3 of the blades of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing. So 1/3 is already you have.
2, ma'am.
So how many blades you all have to make?
2 more.
Yes. This way 2 more. So start making.
Ma'am, make.
So the third question is saying now half of the blades of another fan are shown here. Half are shown. So complete the picture. Means how many you have to make more?
One.
No, half are already there, which are 2. So what will be the other half?
2.
Yes. So total will be 4. Now let's see how to make this. Done, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Come to the next.
Ma'am, 1/5. 1/50.
Where is the 1/5, my dear? Now
ma'am.
come to the coins.
1/50.
Okay, Josh, wait. Next child with letter C. Is there any child with letter C? P. Letter P.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
child,
3, ma'am. There are
which child is this?
ma'am 3.
3.
Read. Let's switch on your microphone
2, 3, 4. 4
and read. Read.
Ma'am, how many 50 will make 1 rupee? Is 50 paisa half of 1 rupee?
So how many 50 paisa will make 1 rupee?
2.
2.
Yes.
2.
Write the answer.
2.
2.
Write the answer in your textbook. So it will be, is 50 paisa half of 1 rupee? So you write yes. Now next is How many 25 will make 1
4.
rupee?
4.
Well,
4.
yes, 4.
4.
Yes. So what will be the fraction of this?
4. Fraction.
So 25
1/4.
paisa is the fraction of
4.
1/4.
1/4.
When I'm asking the
1/4.
fraction, yes. When I'm asking the fraction, that it will be 1/4. When I'm asking about the part, then it will be the fourth
1/4.
part. Now 20 paisa.
1/5. 1/5.
20 paisa is
1
the
upon
1/5.
5. 1 upon 5. 1/5.
Yes. Jayesh is not 1/5, it's 1/5 or 1 upon 5.
Yes, sir.
1 upon 5.
Yes. So please write. And how many 10 paisa will make 100 rupee?
10. 10.
Yes.
10.
10.
Yes. 10.
10.
Here there is no
10.
fraction, my dear. Please pay attention, Josh.
1 upon 10.
So now next, come on the next part. There is a story. An old woman will. What is will, children?
Wish.
Will. And oh, it's written, no? An old
Wish,
woman will.
wish.
No, wish is wish. What is will?
Like वो कुछ चाहती थी like
No.
Man, will means I will go to.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Will means I will go.
No, that will. This is not will. Will, here the will means.
Which or will? Which or will? Fall sick, ma'am. Fall sick.
No, that is ill, not will. Here the will means the property of a person. Okay. Yes. Person, when a
Okay,
person,
ma'am.
see, if I am there, I should also have some property, my house, some money. That is the will, right? So now, once there lived an old woman. She lived with her 3 daughters. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She was quite rich and had
Yes,
19
ma'am.
camels. One day she fell ill. The daughters called the doctor. The doctor tried his best but could not save the woman. After her death, the daughters read what she had written in her will. Will we write when we are writing, like if we want to give something to the person, that this part of my property this person will take, this part of my property this will take, that is the will. So my eldest daughter will get 1 upon 2 of my camels. My second daughter will get 1/4 of my camels. My third daughter will get 1/5 of my camels. So she had already written in her will on the piece of paper that after my death, these person of my family will get this part of my will, right? So my eldest daughter will get one half of my camels. So how many camels she was having?
19.
So what will be the 1/2 of 19?
9.5.
9.5.
How many?
9.5. 9.5.
Yes.
5.
Now my
9.5.
second daughter will get 1/4 of my camels. What will be the 1/4?
19 equals to
19 divided by
4 upon
4.
4.5. 4.5.
Yes.
4 upon
Calculate.
4.5. Yes, ma'am. 4.5.
Okay, let's see.
4.5. No, ma'am.
Calculate what part you will get. 1/4 of my camels.
4 upon 5, ma'am.
4/5.
Yes.
4/5.
Next, my third daughter will get 1/5 of my camels.
3/5.
No, yes, man. 3/5.
3/5.
Okay. Next,
3
read the
upon 5.
next. What's written there down?
3.5.
What 12?
Okay. What's written down? The daughters were really puzzled. So you also got puzzled while solving 3/5, 1/5, and did you or not?
No, ma'am.
It was easy for you to calculate in the decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's hear these girls face difficulty to calculate how we will get will we be able to divide the camel into 5.5? 3.5 means 3 whole camels she will get, and 0.5 means half camel will she get.
No, ma'am.
So now here we will see how they calculated. The daughter were really puzzled. How can I get half of the camels? Asked the eldest daughter. Half of 19 is 9.5. But we cannot cut the camel, right? So the second daughter said, that's right. But what will do now? Asked the third daughter. Please switch off your microphone. Asked the third daughter. Just then they saw their aunt coming. The daughters told their problem to their aunt. Now show me the will. I have an idea. That aunt says, show me what's written. You take my camels, so you can have 20 camels. Now here their aunt helped them to make it 20, so that to divide 20 into equals. Please switch off your microphone. It will be easy for them. So their aunt told them, you just take one camel from me. Please switch off your camera, children. The aunt said, you want half of the camels, don't you? Take 10 camels. What will be the half of 20 then? What will be the half of 20?
10.
What
10.
will
Ma'am,
be
10.
the half of 20?
10.
Now, when they just stop, where the auntie told them to include one more camel, now it's easy for them to divide. Now they can easily divide what will be the half of 20. Before they were very like,
10 plus 10 plus 4.
yes. So it will be 10 camels, she said to the eldest daughter. Take your share, the aunt told to the second daughter. She took 1/4 of the camels and got. So what will be the 1/4? 5?
5.
Yes.
5 camels.
And the next,
Five.
now you can take 1/5 of the camels, the aunt told the third daughter. So what is the remaining?
4 camels.
4.
Yes. Out of
4 camels.
yes. So see, now again they rounded off. Right? She took 10, she took 5, the remaining she will take. Now the calculation is coming 19. Okay, understood?
So aunt will also get her camel.
Yes, the aunt will also get her camel back. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you please tell again?
See, her aunt helped them to divide it equally. So she added one more camel. Right? So she said, now do the calculation with the 20. So when they did the calculation with the 21, one got the 10. Means half of 20 is 10. The other got the 1. How much she got? The other one? Can you tell me what the other one got? No, what is the share? It is 1/4 of 20. So 1/4 of 20 also easy to calculate. That is 5.
5.
So one got 10, one got 5. From 90, now you will calculate because it's written the remaining will get the third one. So it is 4, it was easy for them to calculate. Yes?
Yeah.
So from 19,
Yes.
10, 10 plus 15, when you subtract 15 from 19, it will be 4. Yes, children? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the rest of the pages,
Yes, ma'am.
you do it. I will send you the video related with the answers. Now, you want to play one game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will
Yes,
send you
ma'am.
the
Yes,
link in
ma'am.
the chat box. Still
Yes, ma'am.
4 minutes are there. So I will send you the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, quiz?
Yes, quiz. The way you play in Catherine's mom's class.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will enter in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know?
Okay, I will paste the link. Please scroll your chat box and click on the link and enter. I will, after entering only, I will click the start. You got everyone? Children, yes or no? Yes, very good. Just entered. Please enter fast. Ch- 13 children I can see they are there in fast. Children enter fast please. I'll start the game. Children, should I start? Yes or no? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can I start now? 19 children are there in. Now you don't want to
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
other children? Please come fast.
Ma'am, please start the game.
Okay, I'll start now. It's 20 children are there. How many are total? Okay,
22.
I'll start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Very good. Fast, fast. Prakriti, give your answers fast. Faster. Very good, Vedansh. Anubhavi. Good. Aryan. Faster, faster.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send the link again because
No, now you can't join, my dear. It's already started. Children, fast. I think Jagu is Jash. So he is on top right now. Krishita with 5. Aryan with 6. Krishita with 6. Anubhavi 3. Dheer not doing. What happened, Prithvi? Aurav. Aryan is on top right now. 7. Krishita 7. Yes. Faster, children. Krishita is leading the game. Aryan is leading the game with 8. Haley also doing good with 6. Jagu, what happened to you? Is Josh? What happened? Coming down again. Very good, Anubhavi. Krishita is leading with 9. Krishita and Aryan are leading with the game 9. Okay, I'll give you few more seconds, then I'll stop the game. So please faster. Please, Yash. Sitting just simply. Arna, please, faster.
Ma'am, I am on the first.
Very good. Yes, Aryan is on 11. Krishita is on 11. Anubhavi, Vedansh, okay. Arav, you're not playing. Kanan, you're not playing. Preet. Daksh Patel, Dheer, Mayank, Devanshi, please. Okay, now I end with this. Aryan is on top 13, Krishita 12, Anubhavi 9, Aheli 10.
Ma'am, I have played the quiz.
Ma'am, all done.
Ma'am, I have played.
Ma'am, all done.
Okay, it's very good.
Ma'am, I used time stopper. I got
Aryan is first and Krishita was second, Anubhavi was third.
One time
I got only one power up. That's why I lose.
Ma'am, I got 2 power up.
I was first at the top and
Now listen.
my first frog and
Ma'am, I used time freezer.
directly.
Ma'am, I used time
Start
freezer.
done, my dear children. It's okay.
Ma'am, I used time freezer. Time
Okay.
freezer.
So your class
Then
is
I
done.
also got time freezer and one